This is in front of the Sydney Opera House, a famous icon, and I'm befriending these birds so that I'm testing if they can take food from my hand. And the second point is, would it hurt me or not? I want to test that. The ibis is a long beak, it has got a long beak, and the seagulls have got a sharper but smaller beaks, and I'm trying that. First try pouring the chips on the ground and they took, and after that I'm trying to feed through my hands when they are seated, when they are on the land. And the next move is to try if they can come flying and take food from my hand. Still it won't hurt me. Just see what is happening.
ஓடிட்டு இருக்கு.
அதே திருவி எடுக்க எடுக்கிறியா?
மேல மேல எடுத்தியா? அது வருது, அது பறக்கிறது. போதுமா?